Hey guys, you're with Logic Matters and welcome to another video. So can you solve this interesting question? If any one of you guys have already know this answer, please do comment in the comment section. Now you have 10 seconds of time to resolve it. And if you still need time, please pause the video and then you can continue. And your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's see the solution. Now the logic behind this is a into b is equal to x. Now a into c is y. Now we need to add this x plus y and subtract b out of it to get the value. I think you guys have confused, right? No problem. I can explain you. So let's assume 5 with a, 3 with b and 2 with c. Okay. Now let's do this part. A into b is nothing but 5 into 3, that gives you an answer of 15, right? And then a into c, so 5 into 2 is 10. Now add these two, that becomes 25, and 25 minus b is nothing but 3. 25 minus 3, that gives you an answer of how much? 22. Now x is nothing but this, we got 15, and y is nothing but 10, that is this, and the answer we got is 22, right? So here it is 22. So the first value, the second value, and the third value. So similarly we'll apply for this one as well. 9 into 2 is equal to 18, right? And then 9 into 4 is 36. Okay, so 18 plus 36 is 54, right? And 54 minus 2, that gives an answer of 52. So 18, here it is 18, 36, it is 36, and then 52, it's 52. Likewise, do it for the other number, that is 863. So 8 into 6, that is 48, and 8 into 3 is 24. Now 48 plus 24 is 72, and 72 minus 6, right? 72 minus 6 is 66. So you got 48 here, 48, 24 here, 24, and 66 is 66. So you can do it for 545. I will directly jump into 955 to get the answer. Okay, so 955, first we need to multiply with this, right? And then 9 with this. Okay, 9 into 5, that gives an answer of 45. So the starting number is 45. Now we need to multiply 9 with 5 again. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So 45 plus 45, that gives an answer of 90, right? So 90 minus 5. So 90 minus 5 is equal to how much? It's 85. So the other number is 45 and 85. So the answer is this. Interesting, isn't it? How many of you actually solved this? Please do comment below. Now moving on to question number 2. A plus b is equal to 76. A minus b is equal to 38. Then a divided by b is equal to how much? Can you solve this? You have 10 seconds of time and your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's get into the solution. Now let's assume this as in equation number 1 and this equation as 2. What we need to do is subtract equation 1 from 2. Let's do it. A plus B is equal to 76. So minus of A minus B is equal to 38, right? So the answer is 2B is equal to 38. So B is equal to 38 by 2. That gives an answer of 19. So we got the value of B, that is 19. Now apply the value of 19 in equation number 1. Okay, so A plus 19 is equal to 76. So A is equal to 76 minus 19. That gives an answer of 57. Now we got the value of A as well. Now apply it in this. So A is 57. 57 divided by B, that is 19, right? So 57 divided by 19 is 3. So the answer is 3. So simple, isn't it? How many of you guessed it correct? That's it in this video. Please do subscribe the channel. I'm signing off. Thank you.